Here is a wonderful 2024 Ford Edge. Get into a midsize crossover that knows how to make your life easier. This sleek Edge is loaded with powerful performance, smart tech, and features that optimize comfort and convenience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers, traction control. Life is short. Make the most of it. Get into this smart, sophisticated Edge and make every drive count. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.